Is your Spectrum cable box stuck on the Alt screen during reboot? This usually means the box is trying to load an alternate, backup version of its software due to a problem with the main software. This issue often arises during or after firmware updates from Spectrum, especially on older boxes. Fortunately, it's usually fixable at home. The Alt screen indicates that something went wrong during boot up and that you're not getting any TV as a result. Do not panic and attempt to resolve the situation with the following steps. First, perform a power cycle. Unplug the box from the power outlet for 2 to 5 minutes, then plug it back in. This clears the cache and can resolve minor glitches. Next, check all cable connections, ensuring the coaxial cable is securely connected to both the box and the wall. If the issue persists, try a factory reset. With the box plugged in, press and hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. If none of these steps work, contact Spectrum support via their app or website for further assistance. They may need to send a technician. A last resort is to replace the box with a newer model like Spectrum One.